Are you trying to start up an online business, but it's difficult for you to get a mannequin or a model that can do the job for you free, of course, without you paying money? Yes. If that is your problem, then you are in the right channel. Hi, my name is Glory Namdi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a AI model for free. Let me repeat it. Get a AI model for free using CapCut and InShot. Yes, we'll be using those two apps for this tutorial. So stay tuned. You're in the right place. Give me 10 seconds. Now, let's start. So the first thing we're going to do is go straight to CapCut. Now on CapCut, press the expand and then go to AI model. Just give it a while. It will come up. Now these are the models that are available. Now you can see there is a black model, another model, a male model. Just look at all of them. They are all available for you. There are no restrictions. Although it is the pro, but then don't worry, we'll get it for free. All of them, you can use anyone. But we'll be using this white lady, Sha. So look at the poses. I would be clicking on the poses so you can see what poses you can use for your outfit, whichever one you like. Okay, let's stick to that first one, Sha. Yeah. So now you have to select your preferred picture. You can see the picture I have selected. It has a background, so there is no need for it to change your background. Just make sure that the background is clear and it's like one colored background, because I tried using the background with other things at the background and it wasn't okay at all. So just use a clear background and you will see it will work perfectly for you. Now it's trying to generate my outfits with the AI model. Let's give it some time. Yeah, that's it, guys. That is it. So you cannot press to see the full image because it won't show. All you have to do now is to screen munch it. Yes. Now we screen munch and then we crop the picture. Just wait. Trust the process. So now with this, we are going straight to InShot. Yes, InShot. Yeah, that's the next one. You go through the photos, press the picture that you have picked. Now it is time for us to adjust it. Now for the adjustment, the contrast will be 3. Then you go to sharpness. Sharpness is full, everything full. 100/100 for sharpness. You can see how it just changed the look of the whole thing. And then we move next to highlight. Highlight should be 10. But if you know any other way that you can edit it that it will be brighter than this, please, you can teach us in the comment section. I'll be happy to learn. For me, my saturation was 10 as well. So altogether, contrast 3, the brightness 3, the sharpness to the fullest, and highlights 10, saturation 10. That was just all I did, and look at how beautiful it looks. You can see the old one and the new one. Yeah, the one without editing and that's the one with editing. You can tell the difference. One is so blurry and the other is clear. So this is it, guys. Then for that circle thing up, we really don't want it to be showing our pictures and we have to cover it up with something. If you sell clothes online, you know that you have to have a logo or a design. So this is a logo I made strictly for a tutorial like this, and you can see the the design is black. I also have one that is see-through, that is, see-through nude. So what do they call that, has a transparent background ahead, that's the right word. But we're going to be using the black one because it just fits this whole thing, and now we've added it there on top. It looks like a design, nobody will know we're trying to cover up something. And this is it, guys, this is it. So now let it load
Everything
with
your
their
loved one.
adverts. I don't want you to watch all these useless adverts. Although it's not useless, Sha. We really want to thank CapCut. They're really nice. So now I want to show you the picture, how it looks like on my phone, away from CapCut. And in short, so, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like the video, and share. Please, I really need it at this moment. I am begging, please, so that I can bring out more content and, we can have fun and grow together. So, God bless you. Ciao.